NFTs, non-fungible tokens. What are they and how can you create your own? Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the AltCoinTrader YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do to be kept up to date with the latest cryptocurrency news and be a part of our monthly giveaways. So, today's topic, guys, NFTs. How to create and sell your own NFTs and what an NFT is. So, as word spreads about non-fungible tokens, more artists have come on board to sell their digital art on the blockchain. Today, we're going to discuss how to create and sell your own NFTs. So, what is an NFT? An NFT is an art form or digital asset that is powered by Ethereum smart contracts. These collectible items are unique since they cannot be replicated or exchanged. Furthermore, guys, NFTs are non-divisible. This means that someone cannot buy a fraction of an NFT like when buying a cryptocurrency. You have to buy an NFT in its entirety. For instance, you can't buy 0.1 of an NFT, you would have to buy the entire NFT. The blockchain maintains ownership rights and one would typically buy an NFT with Ether tokens. Perhaps one of the most popular NFTs, guys, and this is a biggie, it sold for millions, is the digital artwork by People. It sold for a record 69 million in March this year. As you can see on the screen, this is the NFT that he created. The artwork is called Every Day is the First 5,000 Days. It features a collage of digital shapes and scenarios. People, otherwise known as Mike Winkelmann, was named among the top 3 most valuable living artists just because of this NFT. There is also things such as Cryptopunks. These are pixelated characters that have unique attributes. Besides the 10,000 human punks, there are also aliens, zombies, and apes. The largest sale of a Cryptopunk was in March 2021 when punk number 3,100 fetched a whopping $7.58 million. Guys, that's a lot of money for an NFT. These are examples of Cryptopunks on the screen right now. Until recently, only crypto whales were able to get their hands on these NFTs, but now as the markets are emerging, more common people like us can get involved in NFTs. And now we're going to take a look at how to create your own NFT. Anyone can create or mint their own NFT. When you're an artist or designer looking to create or sell your own NFT or an avid collector, here are 3 easy steps to get you going. You have to pick an artwork. An NFT can be a digital painting, music, a video, and even text. It is literally anything that can be reproduced as a multimedia file. It can be as unique as you want it to be. You have to create your masterpiece then. Once you've decided what your NFT will look like, it is time to create your masterpiece. You can create an NFT either on the Ethereum blockchain or via the NFT marketplace. Currently, it is easiest to create your NFT on the Ethereum blockchain using Alchemy. This is Alchemy that is on the screen right now, and you can find it at www.alchemy.com. Make sure that you have at least $100 worth of Ether on hand though, guys, to mint your NFT since the price can fluctuate. Simply log onto your AltCoinTrader account and buy Ethereum with ZAR. Transfer the tokens to your MetaMask wallet and connect the wallet to the Ethereum blockchain. There, guys, you already have your $100 of Ether ready for when you want to mint your NFT. However, if you don't want to pay for minting of an NFT, various marketplaces like OpenSea allows you to mint an NFT for free. You still will have to connect or create a wallet account though, guys. Then, the last and easiest step is to sell your NFT. Once you have created your masterpiece, it is time to put it up for sale. You can choose to sell it for a fixed price or at an auction, as well as the royalties you want to receive from the sale. So guys, you put it at a price and then you choose the royalties you would like to receive. In conclusion, guys, when creating your own NFT, it should be scarce, indivisible, and unique in order to be successful. Trying your hand at creating an NFT and selling it is well worth it. You never know, you might become the next People. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you would like to find out more information on this video, you can find it on the AltCoinTrader blog. You'd go to www.altcointrader.co.za, select news, select blog, and then you will find it right there. I will also put the link in the description. Thanks again for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one.